So you can tell he's not an East Coast guy, right? So right off the bat, his demeanor, his pace in which he explains things, he's not in a hurry. You don't ever get the feeling like you're a number on a chart that he's got to push through the office. So yeah, I've been very impressed with Dr. Ruth, his whole staff actually. I've complimented them all when I've been there. Every time I'm like, gosh, I like coming here. I don't ever want to miss an appointment, even if it's just a checkup or a follow-up. I love the people there. They've done tremendous work on my legs. I couldn't say enough good things about Center for Vein Restoration. Really good folks. Dr. Ruth, thank God he came to the East Coast from the Midwest, but yeah, he's a great guy.